There's a couple cool things about this boat. First one is the fact that there's no on-off switch on it, because it automatically turns itself on when you put it in the water. So you put it in the water, you see the light flashing? It's looking for the controller right now. So it'll flash till you turn the controller on, and then it will go to steady on. So you take it out of the water and it stops, it turns itself off. You put it in and it's looking for the controller again. So I've got the controller here. As soon as I turn that on, oops, it turned to solid, it stopped flashing. So we have forward, oops, backwards, turn. It's awkward because I'm trying to hold the phone and do this at the same time. But it's a really cool toy, and it's powerful too. Look at the wake. It's going to turn automatically. It's in the top. Look at the wake there. So I mean, this would work really well in a pool or a pond. A really cool toy for any kid. There you go.